So, friends, this is the lecture number 3. Before coming in this lecture, you must go in the previous lecture. Then your all just query, it will be solved. So here we will solve only 3 questions in this part. So the first one is milk and water are mixed in a vessel A. Milk and water are mixed in a vessel A. Okay. Vessel A in a proportion of this. You have one vessel and you have mixed milk and water, and your ratio, this is 5:2. And in vessel B, okay, you have 2 vessels. This is the vessel number A, and you have another vessel, you have vessel number B, in a proportion of 8:5. Here you have ratio 8:5, the mixture of milk and water. Okay, in what proportion should quantities be taken from the 2 vessels so as to form a mixture in which milk and water will be in the proportion of 9:4. Now he is asking that in what proportion should quantities be taken from the 2 vessels so the form of a mixture in which the milk and water. So the ratio of milk and water in first vessel is this, and the ratio of milk and water is 8:5. Now he is thinking, so you have to remove something. I don't know what will you remove. So your overall mixture, in that mixture, your overall it will be 9:4. So what ratio you will remove? He is asking. So such problem. So in vessel A, your milk in vessel A, in vessel A, your milk is equal to 5/7, because 5, you must go in the previous in the ratio chapter. Okay, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, and your milk is 5. Okay, of the weight of mixture. Okay, and in vessel B, your milk is equal to 8 plus 5 is equal to 13, and out of 13 your milk is 8. So 8/13 is the milk of the weight of mixture. Okay, now we want to form a mixture in which milk will be 9/13, because your ratio is 9:4. So your milk must be 9/13. So before your milk is this, in this vessel, your in vessel B your milk is this 8/13. Now you want to become this 9/13. So I will use the alligation method. Before we have 5/7, then we have 8/13. We want to become 9/13. So we will use this method. So this minus this is equal to, you will get 2/91, and this minus this you will get 1/13. So your ratio, it will be 1/13 ratio 2/91. So your ratio, it will be 7:2. Very simple, very simple. Okay, I think that you got what we want to teach you. The next question, a goldsmith. This is a famous question. It has come many times in your competitive exam. The goldsmith has 2 quantities of gold. Okay, you have 2 quantities of gold. One is the 12 carat. Okay, suppose you have 2 biscuits of the gold. Okay, one is 12 carat. Okay, and the another is 16 carats. Okay, so purity. Okay, so in what proportion should he mix both to make an ornament of 15 carat purity? So he is asking, you have 2 biscuits, one it is 12 carat and second is 16 carat. Now by the help of this, in what proportion should he mix both? He want to mix this and this one and this one. Now he is making another biscuit, and its purity is 15 carats. Okay, so how to solve this problem? So in the first he has 12, in the second he has 16, and your target is 15. So cheap is 12. Okay, d error is 16. So it means that 16 minus 15 is equal to 1 and 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. So your ratio, it is 1:3. This is very simple question. Within 2 seconds you can solve. Now the second question, again this question it has come many times in your exam. 300 gram of sugar solutions has 40% sugar in it. Okay, you have one container and there is a 300 gram sugar and it total 40% sugar, okay, in this 300 gram of sugar solution. So that is sugar solution. Okay, maybe there is something in the sugar. So but your sugar percent is 40. Okay, so in it how much sugar should be added? Now you have to add something. Okay, add to make a 50% of the solutions. Now the solution must be 50%. You have to add something, you have to add the sugar. Okay, then your solution it must be 50%. You also going daily in the morning for taking the milk, and you have also seen when you are buying the milk and you can see the quality of the milk and how much milk you will add, so its quality will become 50%. You can also think like that. Okay, so before its solution is 40%, then now we want to become this is 100%. The existing solutions has 40% sugar and sugar is to be mixed, so other solutions has 100% sugar. Okay, you must think. So by the alligation method, here we will write 40% and second it has 100%. So now your target is 50%. Okay, if you will add something, means you have milk and water solution, and in your milk and water solution there is a 40% milk, and how much milk you will add? So after then your milk solution it will be 50%. He is asking. So you are adding the milk. So whatever you are adding, the milk is 100%. Okay, same thing. Your sugar solution is 40% and you are adding something that is 100%. Okay, if you are adding, then it is becoming 50%. Now alligation method. So 100 minus 50 is equal to 50% and 50 minus 40 is equal to 10%. So your solution it is 50:10. So 5:1. Okay, your solution. Now you have to find sugar. Your sugar is equal to total is 300 gram. Out of 300, 5. Out of 300, your sugar that is 5. Okay, into sugar, your sugar solutions has 40% sugar in it. How much sugar should be added to take it 50% in the sugar solutions? Okay, so two mixtures should be added in a ratio of 5:1. We have got, so 300 upon 5 into 1. So it will be 60 gram. So you have to add 60 gram. If you will add 60 gram sugar in this solution, then after then it will become 50%. Very simple. Okay, thank you so much.